In today's video, we're going to review a small product that packs a big punch. Stay tuned.
Walking tight, say the lightning, like how you move. I would swim across the ocean to hold on to you. I don't know where you've been, fell right out of my head. A dream, swear you're made for me.
So here we have it. MUZEN or MUZEN, however you say the name, nobody's really sure. Went ahead and sent me their newest model of the Wild Mini. This is the Wild Mini 3.0. Pick it up so you can see better in the light. So the difference on this model is it has a FM tuner dial right here. So what happens, what I'll do here, hold on, let me set this up. Oops. So what the difference is this has an FM tuner dial, so you can get FM stations wherever you go. And basically you open your charging port. This is also a reverse charging port, so if you have something on the go that you need to charge up, a cell phone, whatever, you can plug it into this and it will reverse charge out of this battery into your portable device that you need to charge. So to use the FM transmitter, you just plug a handy dandy antenna in to the FM dial and you turn it on. Obviously I'm not going to turn it on because of copyright reasons. YouTube will strike the video down and all. Has all the same features as the original Wild Mini, other than the FM dial. So I've used this speaker already, and it works flawless, just like the original. This is the second one that they've sent me to try out, and obviously with the upgraded FM dial, so that you have the option of tuning into FM, or you can Bluetooth this to your phone or whatever device you want to hear it through. We use it here at the campfire, and when we're camping, it has this real nice solid attachment point. You can attach it to a backpack if you wanted to, carry it on the go. And there you have it. It has a built-in flashlight, which you can turn on, and it's pretty cool. Like, you just turn it on, hold the button down, get the signal that it's attached, which it is now, and you're good to go. That's what the blinking light's telling you, and all that kind of stuff. So it's a great unit. It's solidly built, and the sound that it puts out is amazing. It's all appears to be pretty much all metal, other than a couple things, and it's just a nice quality piece. This is their volume adjustment here, and I'll put the specs in it later in the video tonight when I get some video of the campfire and us using it. So there you have it. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to try to answer them. And again, I'll put the specs in later. It's a larger battery, improved battery on this model, on the 3.0. It's got the FM dial and all the other same options, along with the antenna. You can take the antenna out, just like that, and you close it up. Nice O-ring in here. It's a nice piece. So there you have it. I gotta tell you, the radio on this thing works fabulous. It's got great reception. Obviously I can't turn it on right now because of copyright issues, but that music there is copyright free, and it was actually coming through the radio through the Bluetooth side of it, and that's how we use it. We use it at the campfire, and we use it when we're hiking. It's a good product. Very well built. Yeah, obviously here's your antenna, and when you want to turn the radio on, you push down and you dial it in with that dial. And it also has reverse charging, so if you want to charge your phone off this port, you can. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.